My neighbor's smoke alarm is going off again, but this time it's a different one, I think. It's gotta be Tina. I don't think they're home. I was going to Uncle Luke's house because Uncle Luke is a friend of Auntie Tina, I believe. Is anyone home? Anyone home? Might as well try and knock again on Uncle Luke's door. But most likely not home. But Auntie Tina's dog is obviously home. So just gotta knock louder.
What's up, Nico?
Auntie Tina's smoke alarm is going off.
Again?
Yeah.
I'll take care of it. Thanks.
Welcome. Yeah, so they are home. Those smoke alarms just false a lot. Dog is barking too. I think it might be in one of the rooms. Or downstairs. Jewel! Hi, Jewel. Maybe silenced it. Why is Jewel here?
Yeah, she's hanging out with Kiki.
Okay. So that's definitely not a forced alert. Well, that is a forced alert, but not the forced alert you think. It's just like the policey manual, but no voice. Tina's not home.
Bunny.
Auntie Tina's barely home. Well, as I know of.
Yeah, she's working.
I'm surprised you can hear the...
Ooh, all the alarms are going off today.
Yep, that's the test. That kind of scared me. I just heard another one activate. Yeah.
Alright,
Welcome. See you later. It's coming from over here. Yeah, it's 11:45. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, they're ending. You can hear the other one ending. So that is not the first time I've got them on camera. So, yeah. I'm not inside, so I cannot set off my hand cranks on it yet. But I'm gonna go get it. So guys, if you watched till the end, you will test.
Wait. Nutsy. Back. Nutsy. Go.
I'm just getting my hand cranks on them.
Make sure the door shuts good.
Okay. But I got the siren test on camera.
Yeah.
At least they didn't fail to deactivate this time. Because they normally fail to end. But they didn't fail. And I also heard another one
Make
activate.
sure Anuki is not by the door at all.
So I think the ear one and the one near my cousin's house activated. And I did a test with my SD10 or whatever it's called. I at least gotta test it every day. Go. Now it's ending. Yeah. So at least sound less like 2 times a day.